How to use Amazon Rufus AI to compare product in just 10 seconds. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Amazon application and log into your account. Once you log in, go to the product of the item you're considering buying. Scroll down until you find Rufus AI. And just like that in search here, you can go ahead and simply tap on this little box and enter a prompt such as compare this product with similar alternative and show prices, pros and cons in simple table. Rufus will quickly analyze product information and generate a comparison that highlights key feature, strength, weakness, and pricing differences. You can even ask follow-up questions to compare specific features like battery life, performances, durability, or customer rating. That's it. With Amazon Rufus AI, you can compare product in seconds and find the option for your needs. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.